New tips in plus size fashion summer 2022. With recent styles and break, enter Tessie, new dresses and other new fashion clothes for women. Fashion for Women 2022. Tips fashion plus size women with new clothing and recent styles. And fashion. In this content we have shown new specimens in big size fashion. You look for women's size. Women's size. These specimens can be an option. Garments you can collect from different sites if you want. You can pick up more details, such as Fashion Nova.com and all the samples we've shown you. The page contains clothing for women of large size, with different design styles in both sizes, small size.